Okay. So today it's more about the understanding what are your challenges and how exactly you're going to structure the entire 21-day exercise. Okay. So before we go with our 21-day exercise, I want to understand, is this time is convenient for all of you, or you want to do it actually, because when I spoke with different people, they suggested, why don't we do at 7 o'clock? See,
Yes, sir, this is quite suitable. 7 o'clock, it's very amicable.
very amicable. Okay,
Okay, please poll.
There
Please
is a
poll.
poll actually, which Ridesh sir just now actually had put in, poly.app.mqqone. Just go there, click on that, and you can write your
Any
name.
one option, any one option.
Any one option. Let me share my
The
screen
option
first.
is-
You can see my what I'm doing. So once you click on that link, it will take you here, and you can type your name. Okay, then click on continue. So first one is morning, or in fresh mood, or in the late night. So I'm actually starting with morning. Okay, so one is morning. The other one should be actually whether we should, at what time we should be able to do that. So the moment you have put it here, so it will tell us whether you want to do it on morning or you want to do it in the evening. Okay, so can we start with that actually? Just click on that. It is there in the Zoom chat, because we are actually trying to build a system which will be useful for us in the future also. So that is why we're going with this poll actually. So let me know once all of you are done actually. Okay. So we got 3 votes with the morning actually, and 1 vote with the recorded. Okay, see, recorded anyway we'll give actually. Okay, that's not a problem. But the idea is that what exactly would be the other thing that we're looking at? Where is the link? Okay, I'm going to paste it here again. Okay, I think can just click on that, Harsha, and then you can actually, you'll be able to do that. Right. So is the poll done?
Second polling.
Okay. So going to go with the second poll.
This is second poll.
Yeah. See, because the reason why we are going with this polling activity is that there are few people who would like to join, but they're not here. And yeah, that is how it is. So there are, the next one is preferred time. The preferred time, if you actually click on this, the next poll will open. It will tell you whether you want to start at 7 o'clock, 7:30, 8 or 6:30 a.m. because most of you have actually voted for morning. Okay. So let us see where you want to vote. I hope all of you are able to do the voting, right? Because I did not see the response coming from Raghavendra Reddy.
7:30, sir.
7:30, yeah?
Yes.
Very nice, Jansi, Rani. So good that you are saying you are waking up at 3:30 a.m. That's good. So it's really awesome because 7:30. Can you just click on this, Raghavendra Reddy?
Okay, sir.
Just click on this because we just want to send this poll to others also who have not joined. And then probably we'll inform you the exact time by end of the day today. So Jansi Rani, if you're ready, actually, then slightly, put at a earlier time, because what happens, early time is always better. You finish this off and then you can get into your normal routine. So those of you who are actually having a query whether I should go for 7 o'clock or 7:30, and if you're already waking up early, then earlier the time better it is, because you finish all your exercise, complete this activity, and then you can just get into it. So Jansi Rani, so probably your voting should have gone to 7 a.m. then.
Then it is better to be 7 a.m., sir.
Yeah, go ahead, because see, rewiring of the mind requires you to be in fresh mode, and you finish all this activity and then you wind it off. Okay, this is done, and then you can all go and start working on your day-to-day activities.
Okay, then I prefer 7 a.m., sir.
7 a.m. Okay, then go and actually type, vote for 7 a.m. You're able to get, or you're not able to get?
Not able to get, sir.
I'll again paste it once again. 7 a.m. poll is this one. I've just pasted. Check that. Harsha, are you able to vote? Okay, I also see Abdul Nasir.
Wow, he is from Dubai.
Yeah, okay, fine. Good.
It is not coming from me, sir.
It's not coming, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Chavan sir, can you help him?
Okay, just type in chat box, we'll take it, no issue.
Yeah, just type in the chat box if you are not able to do it. So we know this is there actually. Okay.
Okay, great, sir. Whatever we received till now poll, everyone is ready for morning except one. And one is telling that she need recording. And in timing zone, only one is 7:30. Remaining all are in 7 a.m. slot.
Okay. So Abdul just now joined. Abdul, basically we are trying to take the polling about what would be the right time for you to get started with the this exercise. So there are three things that we are looking at. One is you can start. The first poll that we did was in the morning or evening. We wanted to check. Everybody has voted for the morning, because every day we are going to catch up for 30 minutes and we are going to do certain exercises on a daily basis, because to really rewind your brain, there are certain activities that we need to do it again and again. These are all very, very powerful exercises. Abdul, no problem. I know you're actually working out of, you're based out of Dubai. So we're going to give you the recording, okay? So we're going to give you the recording and you can do it at your own convenience, okay?
But preferably do it at the same time daily, if possible.
Correct. So Abdul, what you need to do is, you can start your day, with this particular thing, preferably morning, because you'll not have a restriction actually. Yeah, we'll close this call by 30 minutes, okay? But we will make it a point that we're going to close it by 30 minutes. Okay, let's go to the next step, okay? So, okay, everybody's clear. Now we're going to start around 7 o'clock every day morning, and we will do some of the routine exercises. So first and foremost thing, what we will cover as part of the entire thing is, first question is, do you have your vision clear actually? Because if your vision is not clear, half of the thing will not be able to achieve it actually.
Yes, vision is very clear, sir.
Vision is clear. Who is having a challenge with the vision? Anybody who has a
Sir,
challenge
sir,
with the vision?
myself, sir.
Okay, so you will reach out to me separately, okay?
Okay, sir.
So whomever has a challenge with their vision, they're not able to write it, they're not clear with this, you're going to reach out to me separately, because in this we have only 30 minutes. The guideline is that we're going to finish this in 30 minutes so that all of you will get started with your regular work. And rewiring of the brain requires a lot of work, especially in terms of the daily routine to be fixed. And there are a few things that we have listed out, and we will try to squeeze the entire thing in 30 minutes time. And as we go forward, this will become more and more streamlined. Okay, in this 30 minutes we will make sure that there will be certain activities which you're going to repeat every day, every single day, and doing it every day consistently is the key. And we are hoping that you will continue to do this post 21 days as well. Okay, the first and foremost thing what we will be doing is we are going to write the goal every single day. Okay, because if you allow most of us to do it on our own, we'll not do it. When you have a fixed schedule, when you know that okay, you got to come here and you have to finish it in next 30 minutes time, so everybody will do it. That is the whole exercise, that is what we want to look at. And the second will be the gratitude. What is that you're actually thankful about? So that will be the next point that we'll do it. And the third exercise that we'll do will be the daily plan. How exactly you want your day to be, be looking at. So initially we'll be keeping less actually, because many of you would like to, catch up with this. As we progress, we will start adding more and more things into it, so that by end of 21 days, you will figure out what are the other things that you can squeeze in with the same 30 minutes time that we could do it actually. So is the instructions clear? If the instructions are not clear, let me know, I'll repeat it.
Yes, please. Anyone?
Anybody, please.
Clear, sir.
Clear? Okay. So this, basically, how many of you really want to be successful? You can unmute and tell me actually, because we have a very, very
Yes, sir.
important people. How many of you really wants to be?
Obviously, everyone wanted to become success in the life. There is
Myself, sir.
Yes, everybody. I want to hear one by one actually. Yeah,
Myself,
Gauri
sir.
also says definitely.
Yes.
Yeah.
and
Everybody?
whatever I visualize and whatever I aim for, definitely I achieve, sir. That is the perseverance I have.
That's
Super.
why you are here.
See, all of you are really, really serious. Okay, that is why you are here. Otherwise, you wouldn't have come here. Now, my first and foremost thing is that I need this few permissions from all of you. Is it okay if I push you a little bit? Not little bit, slightly more.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Do I have a permission?
Pleasure,
Because
sir.
I really want all of you to succeed. Okay, and the success doesn't come sitting at the comfort level. You will be pushed, you will be challenged, and I will ask the question, and I'll be very strict with this. Okay, that is the only way to get the success. If somebody is not pushing you, somebody is not questioning you, then you will be in your own liberty level. You will come and tell me 100 different reasons for not doing it. You'll never succeed if you keep telling 100 different reasons of doing it. Okay, rather we will ask this question, how do we do it? How do I make it happen? I will have 100 things in my life. All 100 things, you'll not be able to do it. But you can prioritize out of those 100 things, which is important for you, which is important for your life. Then you start seeing that you never, whatever 100 things were in your list was never 100 things. It was only a handful of them, but you never knew that is only, handful. Then you have been doing it. Okay. So for me, the first and foremost thing, I'm going to push you guys a lot, because the one of the other way of looking at is the brain is very, very adaptable. When you actually push to the limit, it will create its own capability to handle it. But if you are not able to, get into that, if you are not pushing it, that means you are stopping at that stage itself. Okay. So and rewiring of the brain is not an easy task, because you have been used to certain ways for such a long time. There are a lot of belief systems that you are actually having in your brain that needs to be really fixed, and fixation doesn't come. And when everybody comes together and do this exercise, the power is very, very immense. Okay. The power is very, very powerful. And that is why we have to do it as a group. That is very, very important. Okay. So there will be certain rules that we need to follow actually. And we need this to go on as a regular exercise. Okay. To do that, we want to continue this as a regular exercise. To do that, a regular exercise, that means a habit needs to be created. So you need not have to worry who will be driving this call. Okay. Sometimes I may be there, sometimes Rudesh will be there, Chavan will be there, or sometime Harsha may be there, and sometime few of you may be there. Okay. It depends on who wants to step up and start looking at. This is a practice and we want to take it forever. Okay. And if you can build this practice, this is the, the perfect foundation that you have to look at. There are few things that we have been doing it in a sequential manner. I want all of you to follow the process. So all of you have attended the 1-day complete workshop that we have actually gone through, because that was the most crucial thing. If you would have not done that exercise, then whatever writing of your goal wouldn't have been so good actually. And because that you have actually arrived at the goal, that's okay. If you still have some clarifications and that still needs to be tuned and other stuff, we'll sit and revise and do it. Okay. Don't worry about that. But you got a one version with which you can actually get started. So you are going to get started in next 21 days. Every day you're going to write the goal. You will understand when you start writing the same goal every day, you will keep adding few new things also. That's very interesting thing. Okay. Which you will do it. It may happen for some of you one day, some of you it will take a couple of days, some of you it will be there. In next 21 days, you're going to come out with, additional few set of goals, probably which you would have never thought that, that is there in your brain actually. Okay. And at the end of the 21 days, and you will keep adding it to it. Okay. Every day we're going to do a routine, and this routine will be, is it goal for the day? No. Funness goal for your vision. Okay. Basically your vision that you will write it. Okay. Let me explain the sequence. Okay. So we'll do exactly the same thing every single day. Okay. Because every single day you're going to work on exercise is same, but you will be a different person with all the different exercise that we are doing it. So you'll be getting different thoughts. The first one is you'll be writing your vision. Okay. Writing your goal. Let me replace it with a vision. So you're going to write down your social vision, personal vision, then professional vision, whatever you have written actually. Okay. You're going to start with whatever you have got that version. Okay. Then this will be for, initially we'll be keeping it for 10 minutes because most of you are not used to it. Then we will be doing it. Then gratitude, we are going to keep it for 5 minutes. Then daily plan, you will spend the 5 minutes planning your entire day. Okay. It has nothing to do with this. You're going to do the planning activity also. And we will do some visualization exercise. And this visualization exercise will also be the same every single day. And probably I will add those visualization exercise as and when I feel that, okay, this needs to be changed. And people have actually got into a location where you're looking at. The first visualization exercise would be whatever you have written the vision, right? You will visualize that you have already achieved it. Okay. Already achieved it. And all of them will be a timed exercise. Okay. All of them will be the timed exercise, and we need to continue this on every single day. Okay. So tomorrow, I want to tell you, for the next tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and I mean for 3 days, I'll not be available during this time. So, but however, Chauhan will be there, but we are going to set the process. And every day after my other sessions are over, I will be interacting with Chauhan to figure out how did it actually went, and he will record it. I'll go through this recording, and then we'll go ahead and fix this. Anything that we are looking at as a different thing, that we'll go and fix it. Okay, so is this things clear actually? So now I want all of you to focus on writing down your goal today. I mean, as soon as this particular thing is done, and then get started. So we have got 7 minutes left over. I would like to open this for questions and answers. Let me know if you have any questions. Anything to do with your vision, you're going to reach out to me separately. This is not a yeah.
Karthik, again, I'm re-asking the question. You said goal for the day. Now, what will be the goal for the day? Define that, because is it related to your vision, or it will be related to how your daily planning happens?
So this is a daily plan. It's not a goal for the day. Let's not mix it, because I think the terminology that has been used is causing the issue. Let me rephrase it. So I'm going to turn this into two. One is vision. Anything that we are going to do with our life thing, we are going to convert this into vision. Okay, social, personal, and professional. Next, whatever is your plan for the day, you will finish that also in this meeting only, because after you are done with this, we want all of you to get and start working with your daily routine without any issue. So the daily plan could be anything, your office work or whatever you want to do. Okay, so basically there are a few things I want to do it. The first one, probably I want to pay the bills. Okay.
Hello, Karthik.
Yeah.
I'm the school leader of a school. So daily I wanted to record remote learning because most of the children are not getting access with the internet and all. So I wanted to make daily one video for the students class-wise and post it into their WhatsApp group. But consistently I'm unable to do. This is the one of the challenge which I am facing. Of course, I have got other so many assignments, but this is the first priority. I have to train the children even from kindergarten to high school. My subject is science. So I need to daily one video I have to, especially 9th and 10th. So how can I reach out and full day I am quite busy, but what did I do at the end of the day? It is a big question mark.
That's good. That's a good question. Okay, so Abdul Nasir also says daily plan is to-do list. Yes, it is a to-do list for the day. So that is why we recommend whichever time zone you are, in the morning you do this, because this is the most ideal time to do it. And when you go to evening, other priorities kicks in and you'll not be able to take this time out. So best thing is to finish it in day, and you will not have any issues with respect, because you are also doing the day planning. It is going to save a lot of time for you actually. So coming to your question of how exactly you can create one video per day. Okay, see, we have to change the angle here. The changing of the angle is that you don't need to create one video per day, but one video per day needs to be delivered to them. Correct? So you can actually sit and prepare the video in one go for the next 1 week, maybe on a Saturday or Sunday, and schedule it that such that it goes to them on every single day. So there are techniques which are available. We can actually, if you have those videos recorded, we can actually schedule it on a social media platform, and then you share that link actually with them. You can, if you are a school leader or a leader of an organization, you can record this video and give it to one of your immediate junior, and you can show them, you can schedule them. Only thing is that video will go to them on the specific dates. So in that way, you will be able to communicate them actually to a better way. Okay. So got it right? I mean, this is where we need to change our angle of thinking, because now it is not necessary every day you have to record the video, but one day probably you got a lot of time, like let's assume that 2-3 days, 2-3 hours, probably that would be an ideal thing to look at, as long as you have your clarity of thought clearly defined. Creating the video will not take much time.
Karthik, I was just thinking the other way of thinking of it is, an example for the small issue of what Jhansi madam has been stating. Sending the video is the objective, correct? For the children to study. So the video need not be me myself. It has to be pertaining to the subject. There are a lot of good videos available already on YouTube, which is related to the subject topic. You can just pick and send the correct video, the correct topic. So this is what you have to learn. You can, because I have done such tricks. I have searched, I know this video will suit this. I'll send that. All of you look into that video. No fixed rule. Time bhi bach gaya, sab bach gaya. 10 minute mein khatam kahaani.
Gauri,
And 9th and 10th science, madam, there are many amazing things available already. Don't recreate the wheel.
But
Me, please.
I love to listen to Gauri. Your vision also, where you have told one thing I remember, happy death you told. No, really that is a touch it to my heart. And what you said is a point, but the thing is my children loves my teaching only. They don't want any ma'am. We can see of our own so many videos in the YouTube, but we love to listen your class only. They say this is the
Right. The children who love to listen your videos, definitely you will pick up a video which will touch your children. Believe me, you see the videos, you will not like anything. What you like, your children like you. So what you like, your children will like it. Try one you try and see.
Even I do that. I send the link also, but animation, 3D, like for example, circulatory system, transportation and everything, I send the link also, but my presentation and explanation required for along with the link.
Okay. I don't understand.
No problem. Okay, that's good. It's a good, healthy, discussion that we are looking at. See, one good thing is that, Gauri Madam has offered all of us who wants to practice the yoga on a day-to-day basis. She is happy that any one of you wants to join her at morning 6 o'clock. Every day she, conducts the yoga class. And yeah, madam, you can actually paste the link actually of your Google form, Google Meet. She conducts the yoga between 6 to 7 o'clock every single day. Okay. And it is absolutely free. And she has been doing it for a very, very long time, not just, 1 month, 2 months, for years together now. Okay. As a pure mode of giving as a service. Okay. So for those of you who wants to fix your daily routine, just get and come and plug in. That's it. So everything is taken care. 6 to 7, madam is going to take actually.
Sure, sir.
Yeah,
sure.
I think for those of you who wants to drop off, they can drop off. Yeah, Harsha, go ahead and drop off. That's okay. I think we have covered the most important piece that we are looking at. And now we are allowing the team to do any more few discussion points that you want us to cover during this, half an hour. So probably we will, focus on that actually, on that discussion. So there's already a link which Gauri Madam has pasted. So all of you can join in the morning 6 o'clock, 6 to 7, there will be yoga. And this, I will tell you, every day this yoga will be different, because she will come out with a different way of actually, handling it. And she will discuss with different people based on people's different challenges they will tell. She will actually customize that day's video yoga. So based on this, so a lot of things happens. And if you have any further challenge also, you can reach out to her for any health issue and she will help out. Okay. So we are creating a very good community of givers. Remember our core values. Let me again write it down. This is very important. Anything that we are building, see, we have to build a strong, culture in our community. If we are able to, build a strong culture in our community, then automatically many things are taken care. Okay. So if you are looking at the core values, because we want the foundation to be very, very strong. So we want to create a community of a very good givers actually, who are willing to give. So they give the, priority of giving first. So giving can be anything, it can be in terms of the education. It can be in terms of people to donate money. It can be something, to do with the prayers. In whichever way actually you want to donate or give, that is the most part thing, biggest community of givers we want to actually create. And we always, would like to work on a win-win situation. Okay. So the core value will be win-win situation. And the other one is people over profit. Okay. So you want to keep the people first above the, profit. so that, you know, we always be, you know, actually coming out with this. We want to actually serve the people. Okay. We want to serve the people, or rather help people actually. Okay. So when you build our community with this strong foundation of giving, so you can't go wrong. Okay, this is one of my biggest research that I've done for so many years. Then I could figure out that you can go wrong in many other aspects, because if you want to identify people for your project, for your team, and anything could happen. But again, if you are actually focusing on building a community based on the givers, you can't go wrong, because you are starting with giving first, and the people who will be a part of this leadership team would always, you know, put those, you know, giving first actually. Okay, you can always start feeling that with the great community that we are building. So so you can always you know, already experience that, right? Yeah. So let me know if you want any other core values to be added, and I'm so glad that all of you will be the initial members of this particular thing, so you are going to get maximum benefit out of it. Yeah, any other questions that you have?
Karthik,
Yeah.
I would recommend you to make a questionnaire which will help us to deep delve into our thought process where we don't dwell, we
Okay.
don't go. And if you send, sometimes, you know, a questioning, when you question and you answer, the more questions come to your head.
Yeah. Questionnaire on what aspects?
On, say, that core values or gratitude, writing visions. It's like a soul searching questions. If it can be
Yes.
done, nothing like it.
Okay, so we'll work on this. Probably this will take some time. We'll get started. Maybe end of the 21 days, if we can actually create that, that will be awesome thing. You know, I need the input from all of you as well, because we will be thinking that you have actually understood it, but there may be a chance that many of you may be still not clear with this. So then you have to come out and speak, saying that, okay, in this area I need the help. You know, I understand what you are saying, but this area I need. So we'll figure out whether we are able to finish this within this half an hour time, or probably we'll do a one-on-one separately to figure this out, because we really want all of you to be successful, and we got to filter out the junk actually. So that is why we are going to, you know, we have just kept the nominal fees to get the maximum benefit for all of you, and we want to work with serious people. So there is no point in you know, having the whole sheep being there, but rather we want to focus on lions who really, you know, wants to do this, right? I see that, you know, Jansi madam already has lion in her name. Very nice actually. Yeah, because I want to focus on building the leaders, because if you get your engine right, okay, if you get your engine right, bogies will come later. Okay. So my focus is to build the strong leaders, and once the engines are correct, bogies will join and engine will take them in the right direction. So that is why I'm okay to have less number of people in this, but they got to be really serious, and I want to focus my energy completely on those people. Okay, so that's the focus actually. And Jansi madam, I'm so glad you are actually working in the educational you know, area. I'll be more than happy to help you on taking this kind of things for your school. How does, I mean, basically we'll discuss this, you know, separately. Probably I'll give you a call. Anyway, you want to have a discussion vision, because education is one thing which is very close to my heart, which can impact. There's a quote, right, which they say, if you want to create an impact, you know, of one person's one day, you give the food to him, right? And if you want to actually impact that person for 100 years, give the education to him, right? So its education is very, very powerful. So we're going to focus on it. I think Gauri madam got dropped off. That's fair enough. Do you have any other questions? Raghavendra, Nasir, Jansi. I see that. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, it will be better to be clarify the difference between goal and vision, sir.
Yeah. So I think, yeah, sure. And there's one more thing. Abdul Nasir says, as I can't attend the morning on daily basis, can I have one-on-one talk in the evening, at least one day per week? Yeah, Abdul, we will actually plan. I'll do it for you guys now because we have a small community. That's the biggest advantage of joining in the early days, right? You get that personal focus. I'm telling you the kind of plan that we have, the way we're going to be working on this aggressively. Many of these next batch of students who will be coming in, they may not be getting the same attention that all of you got it. Okay, so I'm telling you that, Abdul, absolutely, once in a week we will catch up, and then we will actually go through it with your action plan, because I really want all of you to be super successful. I'll do whatever it takes to make that happen. Okay, but I need the commitment from all of you that you're going to allow me to push, because once I get into action, you know, I'll talk, you know, very soft. The way I actually connect with the people is also very soft, but when it comes to an action, I'm very strong guy, very tough guy. Okay,
Should
so
be like that only.
yeah, so get ready for this, because I have seen that, you know, being soft on all angle will never help you. So when you got to be soft when you're talking with the people, but when you really want some of your people to be successful, you're going to push them hard. That's the only way this is going to help you. Okay, Abdul, if I have to spend one, you know, even one-on-one talk in the evening, you got to act on the actions that we are looking at. Okay, the first meeting I'll have it with you, but before the next meeting that we're going to have it, you got to demonstrate that you have completed those action items. If you are not doing that, then next week meeting we are not going to have it. I'm very clear on that. So if you are okay with that condition, I'm okay to go with one-on-one. Agreed? Done. That's the deal. That's how you work. Otherwise, you're not going to have that session until you finish that homework. Okay, this is a complete rewire, and it's not going to be easy. Your mind will come back and keep challenging you, saying that no, let's go to our original way of working. That is not what we want, right? We want the success to come in. So we'll tune this, your whole brain, not only for money, but for the entire success, you know, for your social vision. You go and look at all the people, you know, all billionaires who are the rich people, right? At the end of their life, what they do actually, after they achieve everything, what they do?
They serve the humanity.
They serve the humanity. Why do you want to wait for 67, 70 years, 80 years of your career to be wasted, and then you say, okay, I want to, you know, serve the charity now? Start today.
Exactly.
Right? So you will have more valuable life as compared to them actually. And I strongly believe as a single person, I can only do so much, but as a team, we can do a lot more things. But what I've also observed that a lot of people lack this clarity, and they do not know how this execution needs to be done. And over the period of the, you know, days, years, I've over the, you know, few decades, I figured out the way of doing the execution. And it took me a lot more time to simplify this. I'll tell you this. My real challenge came in for simplifying the things, because I can do it, but how do I put this across to people who have never thought about this, you know, topics? How do I connect with them? How do I get this? How do I get it right? Because the mind is something very powerful. If I teach you the wrong methods, and then that is going to multiply, right? So I can't take that risk. So I got to be very sure about what needs to be done in a right way, and that needs to be time tested before I can put it into action. Okay, that's where it took me a lot of time. So I'm glad finally I'm able to do that. And then once we are able to, you know, follow that process, we can replicate it. You know, this can be replicated to a level like, you know, you can teach this to students. Okay, I'm more than happy if any one of you actually want to have a separate session for only students, or probably you can call them as for one of our, you know, monthly program that we are planning. We are planning to have every month the same workshop that you guys attended, because it's very valuable. We've got a lot of positive feedback, and many of them actually have asked that they want to come and attend once more. Those people have not understood, and they want to bring their family and friends together. So we want to continue that. Okay, but that will be only once in a month, and that will be for we are planning to have it on the first Saturday, so that all of you can actually look at and do all your planning, because that is absolutely, yeah. So next will be on 3rd October, Saturday. All of you can plan, call as many as people as possible, as all of you know that it's absolutely free. Entire content is designed for making them successful, and whatever we are offering, that is also an optional thing. They decide to take it to the next level, they enroll in. If they're not, we don't need to worry actually. So, but if you're able to do their vision done, that's the biggest gift that you can give it to anybody. If they know where they are going in their life, they will figure out the how. You don't need to, come here and they have to learn, because if they want to do it on their own pace, that's okay. But they should know the destination. If that task is done, that's it. Magic will happen. Okay. Any other questions we have?
In my school, I wanted to enhance the foundation literacy and numeracy skills for all the children. And even for the parents, I would like to educate them, whoever are illiterates and all. So this is the vision which I have visualized, but I couldn't reach how much I was expecting and I am expecting. That is especially 8th, 9th students, also few children unable to read 2nd grade textbook. That is been survey being done by the Indian government and all, you know that. So I wanted to lay the foundation, reading and writing what they see, they should able to read, and they should comprehend and able to retrieve or write. So this is the how can I 8th, 9th students, if I go for basic sight words and all, few children, they are getting bored, whoever have already, and I made groups, and so just I want some clarity how to go for this, and I'll talk to you one-on-one.
Absolutely, we'll talk about this. I'll tell you one thing, it's all about technique. And one of the thing, because I've been actually working on this memory area for a while, the way I teach is different from other people when it comes to memory, because you don't need to stress your brain actually to make that happen. And one of the things that we don't teach our students is how do you collaborate. See, you have to actually figure out a way of how do you collaborate. You just, if you see the way that we are going to do in this next 21 days, right? It's always a collaboration that we are talking about, right? So we started with everything that you are seeing, it's a mind map that I'm using every single day. If you see this, we have put
this. I wanted to learn, sir. I have done it. I'll post it in your this thing. But see, in this way, such a beautiful, I couldn't make it. I have done that.
I think you should learn mind map, because your vision is big, and when you want to this kind of this, especially for students, right? This is, I mean, for professionals and all, this is awesome. Even I use it even today. Nobody knows that this can be used in the professional and business life. That's the first thing. But for students, absolutely fine. Because, the way I'm actually working is, I'll tell you how, because everybody's here and you will be able to understand. I think Raghuram joined now. Okay, welcome Raghuram. So Raghuram, if you have actually missed something, probably we will give you the recording, and probably Chavan sir can give you a call and brief you on this. And once you go through the video, we are more than happy. Okay. So the whole idea is that we are actually want to create a people who are really, really serious, who wants to take the action. And we discussed few things. That is, how do we, just allow me 2 minutes, because I don't want Raghuram to be left over. So Raghuram, we did a poll actually to figure out what time will be more suitable to do this, because rewiring of our brain is very, very important. Until you rewire your brain or reprogram your brain for the success, you'll not be able to reach what exactly we want to actually look at. So it's not going to be easy, but again, it's not impossible. It depends on our willpower of how seriously we want the success to be, right? How you want the success to be looked at. Now, writing vision is something, this is the activity that we are going to do it on a daily basis. Now, the first one will be, we'll be writing the vision. So most of you have attended my one-day workshop. So you know exactly how you're going to write the vision. The reason why we are going to do this writing the vision is, because every day when you start writing it, you will be surprised to see that you will see a lot of new ideas which will start coming in. Okay, the next one will be gratitude exercise, that we'll do it for a few minutes, and then we are going to look at I'll finish that activity. So we'll also do some visualization exercises, and we'll also do the daily plan, how exactly you're going to get started. What are the different activities that you're going to do it. Okay, so we would like to we did a poll, and with the poll what we figured out is 7 o'clock to 7:30 a.m. is the maximum people who voted for the poll. So every day we are going to catch up at 7 o'clock a.m. every day. So we are going to do this exercise for 30 minutes, and we are going to, as the day goes from day 1 to day 21, because you will also need some time in the initial days, we'll keep some of these things slightly more time. The moment you become very fast in writing things, we'll start adding new things actually. So in the 30 days, by the end of the 30 days, you will have a better practice that will get generated, and we will continue to do this exercise. Okay, Raghuram, is this clear? I have given you the entire thing in a very quick nutshell, and there are some core values that we want to build the whole community with, because as a single person only I can do only so much, but as a team we can do a lot more thing. But the core values in which the team or the community is built is very important, because if you don't build that culture, you cannot scale it actually. So I want all of you to visualize this, and every day that we are going to discuss on this, we are going to talk about this core values. This will also be repeated. So we need to create a big team of givers. The givers could be in terms of education, money, in terms of prayers, anything that is going to help others. So we want to create a win-win situation. We want to put people over the profit. Okay, people will be given the first preference as against the profit, and we are going to actually serve the people. We want to help more and more people. So that would be the core values in which we are going to actually build in. And I'm open person. Me, Chauhan, and all of us are very open people. We do take the feedback very seriously, and we are ready to alter ourselves based on the feedback that is going to come from all of you. So don't hesitate to actually feel that that you got to, there should not be any hesitation. Okay, yeah, maybe once you give the feedback, it may not be implemented immediately. We will put this in the list depending on the idea. If we can do it quickly, we can do it. If it is taking time, we will actually do it, because not everything can be implemented over on a same day or in a couple of days, right? So that is the whole foundation on which we are actually building. So yeah, let's go ahead and ask any questions. Yeah, so Jansi, you can actually ask, or Raghuram, if you have any questions because you have joined now, you can also ask the question. Yeah.
So first, I wanted to enhance the literacy skills and the basic mathematical operations among the students. So
Okay.
how can I, that means how can I generate interest among the children? This is one question I would like to.
Okay, very nice. I think Chauhan sir. So we can include Shweta also in this call, because Shweta is extensively working on this memory area, and also she's also very passionate about working with the kids. So we will pair up both Jansi madam and Shweta, and I'll work with them personally, with both of them actually together, so that we'll build a whole framework, because my specialty is building the framework. So I want to contend, and how do you redirect this to achieve your social vision? I want to focus on that. And because all of your vision is to work in this education field extensively, you will do a better job, because that is what you are already in. So it is going to give this one. So my role will be to enable all of you. Okay, get your thought process, fix those gaps to make sure it is very good, and we'll build a scalable model. Okay, I strongly believe in building a scalable model. Whatever we're going to build, that should be replicated with different schools, different colleges across the country and across the world. That's how we'll build. Okay, whatever I will pick, I will always think big. and I will try to structure that in that way. So I want all of you to get tuned to it, because we are learning and we are doing it actually, and we'll try to club the like-minded people together, so that I'll give the instructions, so both of you can work in a separately, not together, and then come back to me. Then I will review this and I'll tell you this is how you should be doing the next step. These are the exercise that you need to do it, and that is how you can do it. And over the period of time, I strongly believe with whatever I have done so far, the social vision, when you are actually looking at working, if you really want to scale, you can't do a charity actually. So you got to build a business model. I want all of you to get tuned to it. Okay. So we are going to build a business model. Then you can scale it when you haven't, because if you are able to get the same kind of income doing what you want to do, then actually you can actually shift your entire career. Then you are no longer dependent on whatever salary that you are actually looking at. Then you are free to do what you want. Now probably you are impacting 50, 100, 200, 300 students, whatever that number is. You can scale it to 3,000, 3,30 crores. That is possible.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. Most of the parents, they are treating it okay. Let it be this 0 academic year, no problem. If the children not require this online classes, some stereotypic thoughts they have inbuilt in their mind. So I was keep on counseling 1 minute, 1 day, how much time and the children are wasting, and anyhow the children are playing with the mobiles and all. So rather playing with the mobiles or playing video games or something, let the children join online sessions and all. So few parents no, we won't send, let this even government let them tell or whatever, we keep the children in the house only, like that they were telling. And I am sending so many motivational voice recording sessions to their concerned WhatsApp groups. Few parents, they change it, but still I would like to see maximum. When I was 23 years, I started my school. Now 21 years completed, sir. And I was a lecturer in Mumtaz College, but after death of my daughter, I started my own. And this is, and now 974 students are there, sir.
Very nice. Fantastic.
Excellent.
Fantastic. So this is what we have to do. Okay. See, this is the basic problem that I understood. See, I'm going to answer this, whatever Jansi is asking. So you will be able to, others can actually get a benefit. You will be having the same things probably, that will answer your questions also. So Abdul Nasser, you still have a confusion in setting your goals. Yes, no problem. We'll do one-on-one and then we'll get that one fixed. That's the most important thing. So now first and foremost thing that all of you are able to acknowledge that you have a confusion in setting the goals. Let me congratulate this. So that is the first step towards the success, because you are identifying what is your problem. Even before that, you did not have this thought process. Now that you know that you are having a confusion in your mind, so you'll go and actually figure out how do you fix it actually. So knowing that there's a problem is 50% solved, because you go and look out for the solution. But if you don't acknowledge that there's a problem, you'll never be able to get the solution for it, right? So now the first and foremost thing is that you don't go and change the whole 100% of the people in one go. It is never the possible. I told you, go and fix the engine. Bogie will follow. Understand this concept. Very, very important. I did this exactly same mistake of going and trying to fix everybody else. That never worked out. In fact, it drained me more actually. And one more quote I keep quoting, when you look at when you keep the local cause, you will get a local support. When you look for a universal cause, you'll get a universal support. So when you actually look for only your school, the help can come only for your school. When you declare to the universe that I want to help so many other people, not only in this particular thing, but in all other things, you will get a universal support. So it is not necessary you have to go and fix all the parents of your schools. You're going to fix the engines. Focus on fixing the engines. Bogie will follow. Whomever is saying that I am okay not to have my students to do that, I'm okay to spend this 1 year not doing it, the only way that you can do it, demonstrate the people who are open-minded, right? You told that there are few people who are ready to actually work with you. Work with them, show them the results, fix the engine, bogey will follow. Don't focus on everybody. This is the biggest problem. This single tip that I'm going to tell you is going to change the way you're thinking. And you will actually start, that is where you got to work with the people who have got a like-minded thing, who believe strongly in all of you, who wants you to be successful, who wants to, make sure that, when you come out with a crazy idea, and who appreciate that, yeah, it's a good idea, rather than saying, what are you bringing this idea? This is a crap, right? So you got to work with those kind of people. That is why your environment is so important. The kind of people with whom you are going to work is so important. That can really, really make a big difference. Okay. So that is why I'm telling you, this community is very important. We are building this on a strong foundation so that this doesn't get diluted because of this. And we know very clearly down the line, we're going to build a business model which is going to help you. But your intention is not to make money. Intention is to help people, and money will follow. There are 100 ways of making money. Okay. You don't need to take this route to make money. You can do 100 different ways. But why you are taking this? Because you have taken the entire thing, you have connected the dots, and then you come out with your life vision, right? Before you die, this is what you want to accomplish.
Yes.
So when that is your purpose, you can't go wrong. So whomever are the positive people who are giving you positive vibes, get all of them on the 3rd of October, all your parents. Doesn't matter, you send it to everybody, let them come. It's all about law of attraction. You never know. You will be thinking that, okay, these people will attend. They will not attend, somebody else will attend, and that will automatically make a huge difference. So we want to fix that as a big giving thing on every first week of the Saturday, every first week of the month of the Saturday, whole day. So all of you know that this is where you have to go and get them maximum people whom you want the change to be seen. Okay. When you tell them, okay, why are you wasting your time? Why don't you do that? And this time you are telling your vision. Nobody wants to work for your vision. I'll tell you. Everybody will work for their vision. Understand this.
Yes.
If you understand this one basic thing, this took me so many years to figure this out. Okay. I'm giving you in one go, right? Nobody wants to work for your vision. Everybody will work for their vision. Understand this. Until you make the vision planning done. I'll tell you should do the vision planning for your entire school. If you are the head of the institution, you have the authority, and then you got to get it done. Because I'll tell you, this entire school will change. Out of this, you will see few people are going to be there. Whatever I'm teaching you, you got to just replicate it. I want all of you to copy this. Nobody will tell you this. Nobody will tell, okay, this is a copyrighted thing, you don't do. And I'm telling you, you got to copy me. I will help you out to copy this.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And I'll help you, all of you, to implement it. Any challenge that you are having, come back. Because this is one thing, if you get it fixed, you can create a beautiful world actually around us. Okay. And we'll build a business model around it over the period of time. And so that we can build a scalable model, then all of us, can actually scale it. And we can help a lot more people. Once the vision is clear, because we are setting that vision in the right direction. Once it is done and you get them into the practice of habit of making it every single day, and that becomes a magic of, in fact, I would say in every school, they should have a 30-minute session of what we are doing of this habit. Okay. If you can do that, miracle will happen. I'll tell you.
60% I could achieve, sir. Still, I wanted to. And I am the only woman who is paying the 100% salaries to my teachers, sir. This is the one of the greatest achievement. Our deputy officer also has appreciated. And for all 4th grade employees, for everyone, 100% salary. In the month of April 70% and May also 7%, but June, July, August 100% salary we have given, sir. This is the one of the miracle I can say, and parents cooperation also. They love and they appreciate that, sir. Even my class starts in the morning 5 o'clock itself, sir.
Very
So
nice.
10th class students, they come, and inter students, and we have branches also. So really, sir, I love to join in your session. I am expecting many things. Definitely, whatever the vision I have visualized under your guidance, I surely achieve. This is my profound faith I have, sir.
Fantastic. Very nice. Okay, so we are almost 8:30 now. So I think we got to stop this so all of you can start working.
Okay,
So I'm going to give the guidelines. So how exactly this will be done. So don't worry whether I am there in the session or not. So you'll have Chauhan sir or any one of them who will be there. The key is that it's your success, right? It's your vision. So you got to be there, turn on that particular time. So whenever I'm there, I will make sure I'm actually be attending this. Okay. But however, the entire guidelines, everything, it will be given very clearly how exactly this needs to be done. Okay.
okay,
Fine. So any questions that you have, so we'll also send you a Telegram group, and I'll try to work something on that part also, because we can do some online, polling actually on the Telegram, which we cannot do it in the WhatsApp. So I'm just figuring it out few things. Probably we'll tell you that, and once you join, so we'll start doing the poll also on the week. I mean, on a regular time also you can do, and you can give the feedback and other stuff. So that will be really awesome. Okay, right. Thank you all. And if you have